Transmission on a 2000 Suburban. It's got a 5.3 liter engine or a 5.7 liter. It's 4x4, and as you can see, you got to move this 4x4 transfer case out your way. And you also have to take the centerpiece out, otherwise you won't be able to get the transmission out because there's no room. On this model, I had to use a different hole than originally for the flywheel to mount the torque converter to the flywheel. As you can see right here, it's got a different hole. This is the new hole I had to use, and I'll show you the old hole for this transmission to mount correctly. You can see the old hole right there, but I had to use this new hole. You can see that's the old hole. But in order to take this transmission out, I'm replacing it. There's the old one over there. You got to put this torque transmission case, transfer case out of your way. So I'm doing a transmission on a 2000 Suburban V8 liter. V8 5.7 liter. I thought it might be a 5.3. I'm not sure. They're both designed the same way. But you gotta leave this drive shaft attached. You can't take it out. If there is a way to take it out, I wasn't sure how. You can see there's no way to replace that. And the lines, they just, once you pull those clips out, those lines just pull out right there. You gotta use a little punch. Get these clips out right here and right here. It's a clip to hold these lines in. Starter right there. And use a ratchet in the front to turn the flywheel so you can match the bolts up. And you also have an access hole to see right here what's going on, what's matching up. As you can see, there's the old hole. It doesn't line up with the new torque converter that's in this one, but it's a good thing Chevy makes a double design like that. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up on how to do a transmission swap. Let me give you a little bit of me doing the work, I guess. This is me installing it back into the vehicle. I have the camera on the transmission jack right now. That's what I was using to put this in. On this transmission job, you can see here that these torque converter bolts take a hell of a lot of torque to get those all the way in there. You can see the tool kind of going to the side a little bit. So what you got to do is you got to turn the flywheel back down a little bit, or have someone hold it. And you'll see, I gotta bring it, flywheel down just a little bit, you see. So the tool won't cock to the side like that. Like I said, I'm using 24-inch millimeter socket on a 1/2-inch ratchet. That's what I'm using to turn the crankshaft bolt. This crankshaft bolt so I can line the holes up on the torque converter when you're doing this transmission. See, that's a 24-inch. You can see. Now, just gotta double check, make sure that it's all the way tight. I know it is already. Where's the ratchet? Oh, it's on the ground. It's in there tight, real tight. This is a snap-on 8mm. It's black and hardened. You can see it's hardened. This is one of the only tools you're going to be able to use to break that free. Now you may, or to tighten it, should I say, to specifications, because it takes a lot of torque. And I'm not joking. A lot of torque. Can't use a cordless on it. You have to break out the ratchet and tighten it down. But I just thought I'd share that with you on this transmission job I'm doing on a 2000 GMC Suburban. A Yukon. This is a Yukon XL. A GMC Yukon XL 2000 model transmission. Here's the transfer case. Here's the transmission. This gasket has to be replaced. And there you have it. That's how you do it. Like I said, you leave this hanging like this. See, this is a drive shaft for the 4x4. You just leave that hanging until you're ready to put it back in. In order to get this transmission out, you gotta, I hate to repeat myself, but someone may not watch this whole video. It's really not that hard. Get this cross member, goes across right here to here. You got the lines that pop out once you get the clips out. They go in here. Gotta take the exhaust out your way. Whole exhaust wide pipe out your way. Going to the back like that. There it is right there. Get that out your way. Like I said, these are under a lot of tension, a lot. So you gotta have a good tool. You can't have a cheap AutoZone tool to tighten these torque converter bolts, because they'll strip the bolt and then you'll be in a lot of problems. So we don't want to strip the bolt at all. So if this socket starts to lean to the side, stop turning the bolt and reposition. So you need to see what you're doing, because you can't just tighten it and hope for the best. of tension, a lot of torque. I got the other 2 bolts tight already. See, this is starting to go to the side just a little. So I'm gonna bring this back down. Turn the flywheel so I can get a little bit better leverage on this bolt. You don't want it to strip, baby. Easy to do. See, it'll slip out of it like that. Then you have big problems. You know, strip that bolt. And there you have it. You see? Put it all back together and finish up the job. Give you a rundown of where all the bolts are. Here's the drive shaft. You have to take. There's all the bolt holes. And this transmission. Torque converter bolts. Holes. It's torque converter. This is a transmission on the 2000 Yukon XL. 2000 Exxon XL. Yukon XL. Sorry, I said Exxon. Got my words mixed up. It's a Suburban. Basically, it's a Suburban, but they call it a Yukon XL. Transmission and differential. Hopefully it'll help you out if you have to do this job yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. And please subscribe if you like me to make a specific video for you. Let me know. I will. Thank you. DC over and out. Geronimo over and out.